All right, I'm going to go over your testimonials and services. So they work exactly the same. So I'm just going to go over them together. So under appearance and menus, we can add them to our menus. Again, make sure under appearance and menus you have post type archives added. And you can link to your testimonials and services from there. So go ahead and add those to our menu. And I'm going to open this in another tab so we can tab back and forth. I have just updating that so that it doesn't overlay. So we have testimonials and services, and it'll show nothing found if you don't have any. So don't worry about that. We are going to start. So let's go ahead and add a testimonial. These are the easiest. So we add a title and some text. And you can add a subtitle, so like homeowner or anything you want under there. And you can publish that. So under testimonials, we can see our sample testimonial with some text. So let's go ahead and add another one. So now we have two testimonials, and to add the thumbnail image is super easy. You're just going to set a featured image. So you can just go under Add Media, set featured image, and upload an image. So even though this isn't an actual person, I just wanted to show you example sake. So you can add in a featured image for that thumbnail. So that's all for testimonials. If you want to adjust the column count and everything, you can do that under Customize. So let's go into services. So services again work exactly the same way. You can have your example service title, text, and we can publish that. So you have your service and your text, and again you can add a featured image as well by adding it. Excuse me. And so you can have your featured image. And one thing that's pretty cool that we've included is under additional files and Photoshop files, if you want to use those service icons, we have the ones from the live preview. So if you want to upload those or change the color, all that kind of good stuff, you can do that. Otherwise, you can use your own service icons or service images. There's really no limitation there for that. But that's how you do services and testimonials. And you can also do cool things like if you wanted to create a category, you can use categories for testimonials and services. Some people might have a ton of different services. If so, you can start posting them into categories. So for instance, if we post this into remodeling category, update it, if we go to services, you can view just the remodeling category of services. So you have tons of control and options, and the portfolio, testimonials, and services work almost exactly the same. They just have slightly different styling and maybe a different, slightly different option as far as text goes, but that's how to add in testimonials and services.